Welcome to this guide on installing the Arnott air suspension compressor for the Lexus LS460 or 460L. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance, so let's walk through the steps to ensure a successful setup. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Let's start by removing the old air suspension compressor. Set the steering to straight ahead and raise the vehicle. Then remove the right front wheel and fender well. Now, remove the air intake assembly from the vehicle. Remove the electrical connector. Also, remove the air line from the dryer. Now remove the air line from the compressor. Please note that the exhaust may be loosened from the rubber isolators to allow more flexibility during removal. Loosen and remove the 3 bolts from the compressor. Remove the compressor from the vehicle to complete the removal process. The second step is disassembling the old air suspension compressor. First, remove the 3 bolts from the compressor bracket. Also, remove the 3 rubber isolators from the bracket holes. Now disconnect the electrical connector to complete the disassembly. Now attach the bracket to the new Arnott compressor using the 3 bolts and isolators. For the air suspension compressor installation, make sure to tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Do not remove the air fitting from the air suspension compressor. Doing so may cause damage or void the warranty. Remove the white shipping pin from the new air fitting and insert the air line until fully secure. Please note that the exhaust may be loosened from the rubber isolators to allow more flexibility during removal. First, install the compressor into the vehicle and reinstall and tighten the 3 bolts. Next, reinstall the electrical connector and reconnect the air line to the dryer. Also, reconnect the air line to the compressor and reinstall the air intake assembly. Now reinstall the fender well and the wheel. Then lower the vehicle to complete the installation of your new Arnott air suspension compressor. Inspect the air springs for any type of cracks or excessive wear. Leaking air springs will cause the compressor to overheat from continuous operation. Thank you for following our guide on installing a new Arnott air suspension compressor. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing